Slabby, what are you getting into this morning? Well, we just lit her up. We're up to 300 right now. We're waiting for the heat to hit about 700. And everything will be good. And what am I making that's so delicious? Something none of you have ever eaten a big mouthful of before. Cast iron skillets. I'm cooking a whole stack of cast iron skillets. And a couple good ones in there and a couple not great ones, but it don't matter. The fire's coming up, the heat's getting there, and we're going to have us some delicious cast iron skillets today. Alright, gotta let the heat get up. So, there we go. So that's what's smoking in my grill. We'll talk to you later. Cast iron skillet is the newest, next best breakfast of champions.